It's like 1:45 or something in the morning. The sounds are getting this weirder. It's like a rumbling in the sky, just almost again like a faraway plane, but it never stops. Please enhance the sound quality so other people can hear what I can hear. Wait. It's getting louder. I wonder if it's coming back this way. No. No blades still. I haven't seen one. And I usually do. I live close to an airport. Getting louder again. What the fuck? That was a text. That was my cigarette throwing. This is so crazy. Shit. Oh, really? Come on. Alright, I'm gonna stop recording for a second and see if it's still doing this in a minute. That's loud.